Boy mixed colors? Choice mixed colors, I'm sorry. I'm talking about Chloe. Thinking of the daggone dog. Oh, the seeds is different colors. This like this. Cause this pot is gone. I thought I had 2 hanging plants, but I guess I don't. Hanging plant pots. I guess not. Got to buy another one.
Wait. So you can get over here.
That's all I'm gonna put in now. This is the mixed one. And what a, there it is. Pots. Purple ones with the pinks in them. I think this is gonna make a pretty hanging plant. Come on, come out of there. So they sprout in 7 to 10 days, so we're gonna see. Put one more in there. I'm putting like 2 or 3 seeds per hole, just in case they don't all germinate. Okay. Scarlet O'Hara. Got a little bit right here in this corner. My hands look pretty ashy, but I've been in the garden all morning, so I know I need a little lotion, but it'll be all right. Now y'all might as well come out. I only got 2 seeds left in here. I need to go get another pack, but this is a dooper right now. Just right in the middle. I'm pretty sure the multicolor when some pink ones will come, so this is done. And these are Clarke's Heavenly Blue. Blue, my favorite color. So it's gonna be some mixed colors and it's gonna be some on the side. These look like little pieces of charcoal. Oh shoot. Come on, fly. That's a little baby fly. Get on up out of here. Put 3 of them in there. Right there at your foot. Put 3 of them in here. You know, some might not germinate, so I can just always thin out the seedlings. Alright, I'm gonna water them in. I got them planted in here. Thank you for watching.